Do you want to know how to verify your phone number on Pi Network? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and recently I created a full tutorial about Pi Network, and many people ask me how to verify your phone number because that's very important to do, and I will also shortly explain why it's so important. So I decided to make this short video here where I'll show you step by step just how easy it is and how you can get it done in less than a minute. So let me just first quickly explain why it's so important that if you decide to join Pi Network, why you need to actually also verify your phone number. Because if you do not, then you will not be able to claim the coins that you actually mine there. And it literally just takes 1 minute to verify your phone number. So as soon as you actually sign up, I would definitely encourage you to do that. And I will show exactly just how easy it is, because it can be a little bit confusing, but if you just know how to do it, it takes no time at all basically. If you instead actually want to know more about how to earn the most on the Pi Network, then I have another video about that. I will leave a link to in the corner here. But for now, let me just here show on my screen exactly how you verify your phone number step by step. So to be able to verify your phone number, you need to go to the menu, and then you need to go to your profile. And here you then get an overview, and there's something called account verification here where it says phone number, and here you then need to click the verify button there, and it's how you actually get to the next step here. And here you can then, the easiest option is to option 2 here where you select a country. Not all countries are here, and this is what can be confusing. So choose the country closest to you and then click start. And then what you need to do is actually just to click open SMS, and it will open up your message or where you can send a text message, but just choose the country closest to you. And I know many people have asked me, my country is not on the list. No, my country was also not on the list. You just choose the country closest to you, and then you will send a text message here. Just click open SMS, choose how you want to send it here via your message service here, and then it will have this pre-written message with the phone number there to verify and a pre-written message. So you just need to click to send it. So that's basically how easy it is. Immediately after that, you will have your account verified, and inside it will then say verified. And that means that you can also then claim the Pi that you have actually mined once it becomes possible to do that. So as you can see, it is super easy and it takes no time. The only thing is that you need to be aware of that not all countries are shown, and many people have asked me about that and have not been able to verify their account because they got confused that they could not see their country. You need to choose the one closest to you and then send a text message to that. You just need to be aware that there will maybe be a cost for sending that one text message that depends on your phone plan. So you just need to make sure to check that and choose the country closest to you is usually also where it would be the cheapest to send it. But it just needs to be done this one time here. Spend 1 minute doing it right away if you actually want to get anything out of using Pi Network. And if you're not already a member, if you want to know more about how to actually earn the most as a member, then as I already mentioned earlier, I have more information about that, and I'll leave a link below this video here so you can go and check that out. But no matter what, I hope that this video helped you to get started easily with Pi Network so you can start potentially earning some passive cryptocurrencies there. And if the video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different free ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.